Hey everybody, Augie at Switchback Trading. Another model presented itself, SBT model. So let me break it down for you. Huge movement, New York session, right? So we had this huge move down, right? You could use that, and in fact you can keep that on the screen if you want. But I would take that high to this low. Now why would I do that? So I'll make this one in red. Well, it's not as big as a move, more chance of it getting filled, basically, right? And like, it worked out to a T. Okay, so there's a low. 25% retracement level here, right? Price has already climbed above and closed above the EMA. So you could have entered there. Stop is here as usual. Or have your stop at the actual 407, right? TP1, TP2, TP3, all three take profits got filled, and if you had a runner, she would have popped up a bit, but it's pulling back now. Right. So how many points was this this model for this this trade? 407, and she went all the way marker. 100% retracement. 446. So there you go. Just 39 points, almost 40 point scalp. It's crazy. We're calling that a scalp. 39 point scalp. But it is a scalp because it happens fast, clean. Look at your entry. There's your entry. 53, and then you're out by, yeah, so that's 20 minutes. 20-minute trade, 39 points. Switchback trading model. It just doesn't stop. It just keeps happening, you know. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. It just, you know, boom, 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 boom. Do you know what I mean? Do you see it? High, low, across 25%, took out the filled the high. High, low, high, low, it doesn't. You won't find a simpler, more consistent model, you know. And it does fail, so here's a failed signal, you know. High, low, you know, you would have went long there. Maybe you would have got out some of the 50%, but you would have got stopped out. Your stop would have been there. But yeah, I mean, it's, you know, it's pre-market. That's the end of New York, end of London session. It's pre-market. You know, New York's not open, and you can see it wasn't really doing much. You know, it's not a huge move. And that's what it came off of. So, you know, you got to choose your setups too. But I mean, you'll see it when they present themselves. You'll be like, okay, that's a measured move. That's a high. That's a low. That's a high. That's a low. Boom. And the more you trade it, the easier it is for you to see it. So yeah, switchback trading model.